Hello citizens of YouTube. On today's episode of Show and Tell with Mr. Incredible, we're playing with Hot Wheels. My Hot Wheels display cases from Carney Plastic have arrived. Let's get these things open. The quality of these is just amazing. Each one holds 144 Hot Wheels. I got the ones that hold them at an angle so that you can see the full car with the mirrored back. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's get the rest of these unboxed. I've explored a lot of different options for displaying Hot Wheels. These Carney plastic display cases seem like the best bet, especially considering the limited space I have left for over 400 Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. So I've got the cars out of storage and all lined up. All there is to do now is mount these Carney plastic display cases and fill them up. You'll need a few tools, a drill, and a level. So you'll also need a marker, a little pin or nail to tap out the hinge pin, and then a hammer. Okay, so the instructions said to just tap out the... Did it say
the side that doesn't have the ridges.
Oh, bam, that was easy. Bam, just like that. I suppose we don't want to lose these. Uh-oh. The side that doesn't have the ridges, so they're on different sides sometimes. Okay, simple enough. Now the door will come off so that we can mount this. So I'm just pre-drilling the holes now so that the screws will go in easier. I don't have to use any anchors because I'm solid wood behind this paneling here. As you can see, They all went up really easy, all three of them. So now we load them with cars. Pretty close to, I think it's over 400 Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars, some Johnny Lightnings, some Ertls. They're gonna fill them up. As you can see, these look super cool in the case like this. I'm really glad I decided to do this. It's gonna keep them stored dust-free once the cover's on them. And while it's a little awkward to see because I've mounted them so high, this is really the only spot I had in the house to do this right now. You'll still be able to see them all, and it's just gonna light up this wall with color. Really happy with how this is turning out. So the first case is done, it's filled up. That's 144 Hot Wheels in this case. Now, it does have a way to latch these and close them up, which I wasn't planning on doing so that I could get in and out of it. But this side isn't closing all that well. We might have a car. I think it's this tow truck. Nope, might be the motorcycle there. Anyways, we can deal with all that because we could put a pin in it just to hold it closed. Other than that though, this just looks epic, stellar, fantastic. Get a shot of that. That is so cool. As you can see, if you just close it up and put this pin in, which is totally removable if you do want to open the case, but at least at that point it fits flush. You know, the case closes flush, which I just think looks a little bit better. This one car was holding it up a little bit, but just because I had it in right behind the hinge, once I moved it over, you can see it fits nice and flush. Looks really good. That is all of the Hot Wheels. Almost 2 cases of Hot Wheels. As you can see, I've got just a little over 2 rows left to expand the Hot Wheel collection. Now I've got a whole empty display case for my Matchbox, Johnny Lightnings, Muscle Machines, and miscellaneous Diecast. Let's fill it up. ones that I kind of questioned were these muscle machines. I have a collection of the 66 GTO muscle machines in every color I could find. But they don't, I mean, it looks like the lid is still going to close, but I mean, it is going to be close if it does, because they are right on the edge. So I'm going to finish filling it. We'll put the case on and let you guys know whether muscle machines do fit in here or not. As you can see, they fit just fine. I mean, it touches the fender, but the case will still close. It looks perfectly fine. It's not going to do any damage to the cars or to the case. They just fit. And that's the muscle machines in the 1966 GTO model. I don't know about any of the other muscle machines, whether they fit or not, because the GTOs are the only ones I have in my collection. But they fit. Cases look really good.
I don't know that there would be a cover over them. It's cool. Definitely
Yeah.
adds to the room. It's OCD pleasing.
Yeah, very, huh?
But it's closed off, right? So can you get to them?
Yeah, you just pull these little pins right here.
I'm surprised there's pretty small areas. I'm surprised you were able to fit them all in here. There's some pretty long ones.
Right.
That's cool.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, let me turn it that way.
Where did you get that?
Carney Plastic.
Wow.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's cool. What was your rhyme to reason of specifically those Hot Wheels?
So rainbow colored Hot Wheels, then Matchbox and muscle machines, and then miscellaneous stuff.
But those aren't all the ones you have, or does that go back further?
That's all of them.
That's all of them. Go zoom in close so she can see. It's just one layer deep, but it's got mirrors behind it.
Weird. Huh. That's so cool.
That's 399, I think.
Dang, how you condense those 57 shelves you had to that? That's pretty crazy.
I know, right? You're on Show and Tell with
Oh,
Mr.
hello.
Show and Tell with Mr. Incredible.
I think that's the best display I've seen of those Hot Wheels.
Thanks, Kookie.
You're welcome.
And the last piece I'll add to the top here is this Western Auto truck that my grandma gave me back in the 70s when she worked at Western Auto. Finishing touch there. And that'll do it for this episode of Show and Tell. I hope you liked it, and I hope you liked the look at this collection of 399 Hot Wheel cars, trucks, and motorcycles. If you did, please hit that like button on YouTube to help support and promote this channel. These particular Carney plastic cases will currently run you about $170 with shipping and handling. Worth it? Well, for me, yes. I personally love the way this display came out. I wish I had wall space that would put them side by side rather than up and down, but that's just the limitation of my current space and not of the display cases themselves. So while the boxes are not inexpensive, they are a quality made product that looks fantastic. What are your thoughts on the product and the price? Let me know down in the comment section. Oh, and if there's a particular vehicle you want a closer look at from the collection, let me know and I'll post a photo or two of it on Instagram. You can find me there by searching Mr. Incredibell. Thanks for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to follow my adventures and participate in my show and tells. I'm Mr. Incredibell. Until next time, play safe.